Hi everyone, welcome to the Subathon. What is good? So, you guys, let's go over the sub goals of today's stream. Are the question mark goals some kind of mystery or just undecided? They are mystery ones. If we hit those, you guys will reveal what the prize is. So, Marbles and Gartic, one of the classics that we play here. That's gonna be a lot of fun. If we hit 100 subs, I have to dry scoop some ghost energy. If we hit 200 subs, we're gonna do unban requests. If we hit 300, I am going to give you guys the aux cord for 1 hour without skipping. 350 subs, we will be doing at least an 8-hour stream today. If we get to 400, that unlocks sub games, and we're gonna do an Alfurier mouse giveaway. If we hit 500 subs, we're gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge, which means I redo my makeup without any mirrors. If we hit 550, that's a mystery prize. If we hit 600, that is going to be the Little Hope Scary Game rewards. If we hit 650, I'm gonna be hosting some Fall Guys customs. 750 and 850 are mysteries. If we hit 1,000 subs, I will be doing a 24-hour stream right here, right now, no sleep. And then bald cap and 2 mystery prizes after that as well. And what I'm curious is what you guys think they are. The 2K subs turn off stream. That'd be so shady. Maybe after this, we'll do like a best of 5 for like some kind of prize. I mean, who doesn't like some money with their marbles? I just saw your Instagram pic. Good thing I was sitting, because if not, I would have fell to my knees. Y'all are so funny. All right, here we go. Boom. Who's got this one? Who's got this one? Oh, Jeffrey's thumbing. Jeffrey actually won! I got last place. I got dead last. I got dead last. I got last, which is fine, because if I win my own marbles tournament, that's kind of fucked up. So I just wanted to make sure everyone got ahead of me and got to the finish line safely. So like that's pretty nice and noble of me. Any gifters? Well, I'm like a volcano map for this one. Oh, Drum, where are you going? Oh. Secure in the first place. I was thinking about getting Chipotle, but I want Chick-fil-A instead. Drum, you were doing so good last time. What happened? It got to his head. That win got to his head. Tom, are you gonna secure this first place real quick, or what's up? I'm right on your tail, me and Melissa. Dexter, are you serious? Kaylee said I'm out. Hey. Tom with the first place. Hey, I got second. Come on now. She said I'm throwing it back. All right, who's got this one? Ooh, Vixie. Damn, girl. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's all you. It's all you. It's going to be Vixie in the first place every time. Oh, Fiora in the top 10 and Tom. Okay. Where are we? Where am I? Okay. All right, you guys. This is the last map. You could say this is for all the marbles. You really could say it's for all the marbles. I don't know who's going to win this whole thing. I'm not really sure. Jeffrey's been kind of killing it, especially since that win. Could be Jeffrey. Octane pad, go, go, go. Oh, we're in the lava. We're all in the lava. Oh, we're burning. We're burning. We're burning. Yo, y'all, I've been killing it low-key in these top 10s. I got last place. I got dead last. I've been killing it in these top 10s. Okay, you guys. This is it. The grand finale. Here we go. In third place, we have... Okay, me. Sorry, y'all had to be a little bit dramatic. In second place, we have Drum. In first place, we have... Tom won the whole thing. What the fuck? Why is my ball so big? Wow. 119 points. Drum with 104. Me with 94. GG's, you guys. GG's. What are you bringing to TwitchCon? Nothing. Just kidding. Just kidding. If you think about it, I would go viral. Like, this girl just showed up naked. They probably only give me like a what, 24-hour ban. I went streaking at TwitchCon. Insane reaction. Everyone in their chest like, y'all just see that? The clips would go crazy. So we dry scooping. Okay. Okay. My tongue is so red. Okay. Woo. I'm about to be bouncing on and off the walls. All right, I'm thinking it's time for unban requests. Can you say hi for Turkey? Wow, please gift me. I don't know what this means. What does this mean? Can you say blank? Can you unban me, please? I have no idea why I did something like this. I will never act like that again, and I will be kind. What does this mean? Son of a bitch! What? Bitch, whore, slut, hooker, prostitute. Can you say bitch, whore, slut, prostitute? Please, please. Chat, what do we think? Whose emotes are these? What's going on here? Oh, no. Oh, no, no, no. Oh, y'all. If you know, you know. Unhinged. One, I did block this fucker on Instagram because he would follow and unfollow me every single day. Keep me banned. Okay, you'd rather watch some... Okay, great. Like, no comment. No comment. I love you so much. Hi, I love you, sup. I love your streams. Okay, honestly, like, Hunter's valid. He had the right idea. Use code Kelly and come back to the streams. Okay. You are my pumpkin. Let's mix your seeds with mine. What? Bye, Kelly baby. See you later. And then he told Jeffrey to shut the fuck up, so Jeffrey banned him. And he just goes, unban me. What? Who here wants to see Loveabilities mix Gatorade G Fuel with urine? How nasty of you. They said just being funny. Why are we mixing that? And who would want to see me mix that with that? Like, I don't get it. I don't understand. You're the only one that wants to see that. You're the only one. I think we all want to see Kelly do that. It's like, no, it was just you. Like, the silence is so loud. Whoa. What is going on, Connor? What is, I don't get this. I ain't reading all that. Congrats or sorry that happened. XOXO. How do you play this game for 8 hours and you're still dog water? I just know they witnessed me miss like a whole fucking like flatline clip or 301 clip. Like, I just know they watched me miss every shot. Sorry for my sins. Will you be like Jesus Christ and forgive me for their wrongdoings? My bad. I'll hit my shots next time. My heart hurts from all the zeros I've been collecting lately. I'm kind of thinking about doing an about face. If you want to turn the lights on, it's okay with me. No homo. It means go fuck yourself at Jeffrey. I'm sorry for using such vulgar language. I've learned my lesson the hard way and I really want to be able to chat again. Please forgive me. I won't do again. I promise. Jeffrey, what do we think? You promise. All right, we'll unban him. Back from Chicago. Well, did you get laid? I banned him. Because I didn't. Maybe I was mad because I didn't, but like... He says, unban me now, all caps. Sorry. LOL, dirty girl. Spit on her. What? I'm drinking tropical, bitch. Damn, you would look so good on top of me. Were my comments sexist? No. And plus, tropical bitch is a drink. That tropical had to move in different. Pour up some tropical bitch. Pour one out. Those weren't too terrible, though. Those were pretty entertaining, though, for the most part. All right, that was my unban request YouTube video. If you guys liked it, make sure you comment and subscribe and like the video. And let me know what you guys want to see next from me. Someone said I needed gloves. I have my milk. Y'all. Oh my God. Fuck. I can't open. Can someone open this? Oh, I'm not pulling the right tab. That's why. Duh. I've never done this before, obviously. I'm very scared. Y'all, I'm literally shaking. These look deadly. I'm literally about to be like Squidward. Like, you guys are gonna see it. I don't want to be a girl like me right now. I don't want to be. Fuck. Everyone stop talking. Fuck. I'm just gonna do it. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. That stings. Oh my god. That fucking stings, bitch. I don't like that. Ha. That's hot as fuck. My tongue's on fire. Ah. No. Y'all. Oh my god. No, I'm holding back tears. Oh my god, it's fucking hot. Oh my god, no. Ooh. That's fucking hot as fuck, bitch. What the fuck, my voice? What the fuck, bitch? Oh my god. I don't see how people like shit like that. That is not fun. I'm not doing one more bite. If I do one more bite, I'm crying. Woo. Okay. I am alive. Oh, fuck. That was fucking gross. I thought I would be like tears down my face. I feel like if I took a bigger bite, they would have been. That was fucking, it's hot, bro. I think I did pretty good though. Are you guys proud of me? I need to stop. Oh god. I need to stop thinking about it. Round 2, you got me fucked up. I have to braid my perfectly curled hair. I'm just gonna get it over with. You just have to fucking rip the band-aid. You just have to put on the bald cap. This is about to be. Why did I agree to this? I put it forehead first.
I shovel it in. Like you put your head down and you shovel it from the forehead to the back.
She'll break that shit with her nails.
There's two in there, so.
We need to make a fucking emo with this.
You look like a lunch lady.
Oh my god, look what they're light up.
Oh my god.
I'm dead.
I kind of look good. I'm not gonna lie. I look like a fucking naked mole rat right now. Bad bitch alert. This is insane. The things I do for y'all.
Everyone just gaslight her. Just do it.
Yeah, please gaslight me. Please gaslight me. Avatar. I look like Aang. Oh, I'm gonna send my dad a picture of me bald. Look it. Goodbye. Chat, count it down. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Take this off. Oh my god! Oh, dude, that was gonna give me a headache, deadass. I got a big ass motherfucking head if I'm getting a line after 30 minutes of that. Thank you guys for keeping me company for 24 hours. Thank you for spending time with me. You guys have no idea how much it truly means to me, so thank you. I appreciate all the subs, all the bits, all the new follows, all the hype. I will never be able to truly express it. Y'all, we're done. No more jokes. I love y'all so much, but we are done. We are done. 24 hours. I don't know how long I'm about to sleep for. I don't know what. I don't even know.